My dear viewers, now discuss difference between changing of milk into curd. Okay. Now explain for this part. Changing of milk to curd is a chemical change, that is not reverse. Okay. Milk is convert into curd or yacht by the process of fermentation. Okay. Milk is converted into curd by the help of bacteria called, that is the bacteria name, lactobacillus. Okay. Difference between milk and curd, that is yacht. Difference sugar 5.2 g, but yacht 3.2 g. Okay. Potassium 95 mg, but yacht 135 mg. Selenium present in milk 3.3 m, but the yacht 9.7 z. Vitamin D present in milk 48 IU, but the yacht 0 IU. My dear viewers, any query please comment in box. Thank you.